Welcome back, Crammers, to question 6. The diagram shows a triangle PQR. Work out the value of x. Give your answer correct to one decimal place. We can see that x is adjacent to the angle and that PR, or the hypotenuse, is opposite to the right angle. So we can assume that this is the longest side. We write here so ka toa. Since we have adjacent and hypotenuse, we eliminate anything that does not contain adjacent and hypotenuse. We're left with cos angle is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. We simply substitute what we have. Cos 42 is equal to x over 9.5. We make x the subject. X is equal to cos 42 times 9.5. X is equal to cos 42 times 9.5. We get 7.0598. 7.0598. And we give the answer correct to one decimal place here. So x is equal to 7.1 centimeter. 7.1 centimeters. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.